Hi friends, welcome to Vidyascooking. In today's video recipe, I'm going to be showing you how to prepare pepper idli. It's a fantastic South Indian style snack, or you can prepare this for breakfast itself. It's very nice with hot cup of coffee or tea. All the ingredients required for this recipe will be listed in the description box below this video, or you can click the icon above this video which will direct you to my blog. I'll be using pre-cooked idlis which I've cut into large chunks and reserved, finely chopped ginger, garlic, bell pepper and onion. We'll require garam masala powder, pepper powder, fennel and chili powder. Fennel seeds, if you cannot find, you can use cumin seeds. You can also use curry leaves, which I'm not showing you in this clip, and you can also add extra chilies if required. I've heated a wok on medium flame. To the wok I've added a teaspoon of oil and a tablespoon of ghee. The initial frying for the idli, we require a little extra ghee. It will give that good taste and flavor. So I'm frying the idlis in this oil. Gently keep tossing it and frying it till it turns light brown color on the edges. Also like me and follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter friends. All my social media handle links will be in the description box below this video. The same recipe is also posted in YouTube Tamil. YouTube Tamil link will also be in the description box below this video. Once the idli has fried, I'm going to reserve it in a plate. And using the same wok, I'm going to start preparing the pepper masala. I've added oil and ghee. Ghee will always give you a good taste and flavor in the idli. Now once the oil and ghee has heated, I've added finely chopped ginger, garlic, onion, bell pepper, whole fennel seeds, garam masala, pepper powder, chili powder and curry leaves. I'm going to fry all the ingredients till the onion turns transparent. It's not that all the time we have to eat idli with sambar or chutney. We can prepare such recipes. I've also added salt as per taste and I've tossed the idli in the masala. It's a very simple recipe. You can also use chili paste. You can definitely switch and use chili paste instead of chili powder. It will enhance the fragrance and taste. Now I've added finely chopped spring onion, coriander leaves and I've also added a little bit of lime juice. Now I'm going to toss once and serve. It tasted very nice, especially with coffee. It was very good. Try this recipe friends and post your comments. All the ingredients used in this recipe will be listed in the description box below this video. A detailed blog will be posted. Blog link will be in the description box below this video, or you can click the icon above this video which will direct you to my blog. If you enjoyed watching this video recipe, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to me for more recipes. I've gone ahead and served my pepper idli. I really enjoyed it. I'll be seeing you soon with the next recipe video. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.